Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that a Sri Lankan would never want to hear or see. The spot-bellied eagle-owl. This bird produces the most feared sound out of all the birds in Sri Lanka. We have a super clip of their sound, but if you're uncomfortable to listen to it, we will give you a warning before we play. Also known as forest eagle-owl, is a large bird of prey with a formidable appearance with two horns. They are widely known as the devil bird. It is a forest-inhabiting species found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Silver grey adult is majestic with a large yellow bill, black eyes and sweeping sidewards facing horns. Juvenile is much paler, almost white with shorter tufts. Primarily nocturnal, but on occasion hunt by day. Takes prey as large as small deer. Widely believed to be the sound of a woman being strangled. Locals widely believe that their calls bring news of death. If you're uncomfortable to hear the noise, you may skip this part. Their calls are like locally named Maha Bakamuna, however more famously known as Ulama. Birds in the history, from ancient China to Phoenix to Greek mythology to ancient Egypt to Hindu gods and to modern Lord of Rings, birds are related to many myths, many beliefs and superstitions. As far as spot-bellied eagle-owl, in places like Sigiriya, Dambulla, Habarana, we were told that they hear the noise of this bird very frequently, sometimes for days. That does not mean there will be news of death every day. However, people are still scared of them. So people sometimes throw firecrackers to scare them off. I'm just 9 years old, but some of us has to really grow up. It's just a bird who happened to be majestic and has a weird call, that's all.